Hey, it's Tim at Ticky Boom Design. All right, so in this video, we're going to go over how to set up a new Webflow site and load in a custom font. This video is part of a series about building the site that you see right here, which was used for an AMA meetup about Webflow. Let's get started with our site. You can choose from a blank template, which is what we usually choose, or you could do a pre-made one. You go ahead and name it and create it. It'll take you into the builder. But first of all, we need to set up our fonts. The fonts are the backbone to our design. You can easily upload fonts into Webflow. You can do a variety of different file types, as you can tell here. You can do OTF, you can do TTF, WAF, and WAF2. This just means that you'll be able to serve up your font accurately to a bunch of different browsers and a bunch of different use cases. So, hey, thanks a lot, Webflow, for that. The other thing too is that you're able to easily name the font files, and you can see a preview of the font file. So you know that for sure if you're working with your black weight, and you can go ahead and edit and set the style and set the font weight at this stage. This will all be reflected in Webflow within the builder. So name it how you want, make sure you got the style correctly accurate, so that way when you access stuff in Webflow, it's all good. Once you're done uploading your fonts, which we're about to be, you're gonna go ahead and publish. Publishing means, hey, all these things that you've done, you're gonna publish to that domain and you'll see your changes. Hey, this kitty wants you to like this video, subscribe, get notifications. Just do what the kitty wants. Bye.